there, my name is Ryan Cooley. I'm going to be taking you through configuring the Atlassian SSO package for ProcessMaker 4.2. So you can see here I'm on the admin section on the settings page. I'm going to click on the SSO tab, and it's going to give us a list of all the different SSO options that are available to us in ProcessMaker 4.2. I'm going to click on the Atlassian option. I'm going to go ahead and enable that. Then I'm going to go to the Atlassian tab that just popped up. You'll see there are 3 configuration options here. The one I want to focus on first is this one down here. You can see it's already pre-filled out for us, and it's read-only. I can't edit it, but what I can do is copy it. So I'm going to copy that to the clipboard. I'm going to go into the Atlassian Developer Console. Here is my app, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on the authorization settings. I'm going to click on Configure to configure my OAuth 2.0 app. You can see here it's asking for the callback URL. That's what I just copied from the settings page. So we're going to go ahead and paste that in, save those changes, and there we go. So that's part 1 of that configured. Now I'm going to go back to the settings page. You'll see it's asking me for a client ID and a client secret. So let's go ahead and find those. Those are going to be under our settings. You'll see down here we have the client ID and the secret, which is blurred out. I'm going to go ahead and copy the client ID to my clipboard. Click on the Edit button here, paste that in, and save it. You can see it says the setting was updated, so that's great. Now I'm going to go back here, copy the secret, client secret, there it is. I'm going to go ahead and paste that in and save that. There we go. So now my client ID, secret, redirect is all configured. I'm going to go ahead and go to the login page on ProcessMaker. You'll see it has now added an Atlassian option. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go ahead and enter my email address that I've saved here. Now it's going to make sure that I trust ProcessMaker. It's asking me if ProcessMaker is able to access my Atlassian account. I'm going to go ahead and accept. Now it's redirecting me back to ProcessMaker. And there you have it. You can see it's created an account for me. If I go back to our admin settings on the other screen, you'll see here it has created a brand new account for Ryan Cooley, and it has taken all my information from Atlassian and brought it into the ProcessMaker system. That is how you set up the Atlassian package for ProcessMaker 4.2.